Welcome to my channel Flights Assistance. Did you know? You can get a free baby stroller at the airport, no charges, no hassle. Traveling with a baby doesn't have to be stressful or expensive. In this video, we reveal 7 incredible airport secrets every parent needs to know, including how to get a free baby stroller, skip long lines, and make your family travel experience smooth and easy. These tips are 100% free, no catches, no gimmicks. Watch till the end. Tip 7 will blow your mind. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our family travel hacks. Hey, what if I told you that the next time you fly with your baby, you could grab a free stroller ride at the airport, no rental fee, no deposit, absolutely nothing. Stick around, because in this video I'm sharing 7 airport secrets that most parents have no idea about. And trust me, once you know these, you'll never stress about flying with a little one again. Point 1. Free baby stroller service. Let's start with the big one. Did you know that most major international airports offer a complimentary stroller loan service? That's right, completely free. Airports like Dubai International, Singapore Changi, and many others have stroller lending stations near arrival halls and family service desks. You simply walk up, show your boarding pass or ID, and they hand you a clean, sanitized stroller for the duration of your time in the airport. No charge. No deposit. You return it before you board. So next time you're traveling with a toddler, skip lugging yours through security and use the airports instead. Point 2. Family security lanes. Here's something most parents miss. Airports have dedicated family security lanes. These are shorter, slower-moving lines specifically designed for families with young children and strollers. You get extra time to fold things up, remove shoes, and pack your bag back without 50 frustrated business travelers glaring at you. Look for the family lane or special assistance signs at security. If you don't see one, just ask a TSA or airport agent. They're required to assist families. Point 3. Bring as much baby formula and food as you need. Most parents don't realize this, but TSA and aviation security worldwide allows baby formula, breast milk, and baby food in quantities exceeding the standard 3.4-ounce liquid rule. You are legally allowed to bring as much as your baby reasonably needs for the flight. Just declare it at security and keep it separate in your bag. No more stressing about buying overpriced airport formula. Bring what your baby needs from home. Point 4. Free nursing and family lounges. Nearly every modern airport now has private, free nursing and family rooms. These are quiet, clean spaces with comfy chairs, changing tables, bottle warmers, and sometimes even toys for toddlers. You don't need any special membership or pass, just look for the family room, nursing suite, or mother's room signs. These are a total game changer if you need to feed, change, or calm a fussy baby before a long flight. Point 5. Check baby gear for free. Here's a money-saving hack most parents overlook. Many airlines, including United, Delta, American, and Southwest, allow you to check a stroller, car seat, and diaper bag for free, completely separate from your luggage allowance. That means you can bring all your baby gear without paying a single extra dollar in baggage fees. Just confirm with your specific airline before you fly, because policies vary, but more often than not, baby equipment is free to check. Point 6. Gate check your stroller. If you'd rather keep your stroller all the way to the gate, you can. Gate checking means you use your stroller through the entire airport, hand it to the gate agent right before you board, and it's returned to you the moment you step off the plane at your destination. It's free, convenient, and means your baby can nap in their own stroller right up until you board. Just ask the gate agent for a gate check tag when you arrive at the boarding area. Point 7. Priority boarding for families. And finally, the secret most parents forget to use. Almost every airline offers free priority boarding for families traveling with children under 2. This means you board before most other passengers, giving you time to get settled, organize your overhead bin, and get your baby comfortable before the chaos of boarding begins. Just listen carefully for the announcement, or walk up to the gate agent and ask. Simply saying, "I'm traveling with an infant," is usually all it takes. You've earned it. So there you have it, 7 airport secrets every parent needs to know. From a free stroller waiting for you at the terminal, to priority boarding that makes your life so much easier. Flying with a baby doesn't have to be a nightmare. You just need to know where to look. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more family travel tips every week. Drop a comment below, which tip surprised you the most? Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next one.